We'll strengthen your sentences by keeping them clear, using strong verbs, showing instead of telling, and using transitions to make ideas flow. Let's begin. Simplify sentences. Keep it clear. Why? Long, wordy sentences can confuse the reader. How? Remove unnecessary phrases and get straight to the point. Student example. Wordy. As I think about it, I realize that starting my homework after school may have helped me avoid procrastination. Clear. Starting my homework after school helped me avoid procrastination. Adult example. Workplace. Wordy. I wanted to let you know that I was thinking about possibly attending the meeting tomorrow. Clear. I may attend the meeting tomorrow. Coming up, we'll go over how to balance showing and telling in your writing, and why that choice can change how your reader experiences your words. Balance showing and telling. Why? Good writing mixes quick information, telling, with vivid detail, showing. How? Tell when you need to be brief. Show when you want readers to imagine or feel something. Student example. Tell. I was nervous about my speech. Show. My hands shook and my voice cracked as I started my speech. Adult example. Parent, leader. Tell. I was tired after work. Show. After work, I sank into the couch, eyes heavy, barely able to keep them open. Still ahead, we'll look at how strong verbs make your writing more powerful and why mixing up sentence lengths keeps your writing from sounding flat. Use strong verbs instead of weak phrases. Why? Strong verbs add energy and precision. Weak verbs plus filler words make writing dull. How? Replace to be plus extra words with action verbs. Student example. Weak. She was making a decision about joining the club. Strong. She decided to join the club. Adult example. Weak. The presentation was given by our manager. Strong. Our manager presented the report. Vary sentence length and structure. Why? Sentences that are all the same length feel flat. Variety keeps readers engaged. How? Mix short, punchy sentences with longer, detailed ones. Student example. Flat. The game started. The players ran. The crowd cheered. Varied. The game started. Players sprinted across the field as the crowd roared with excitement. Adult example. Flat. The training ended. Everyone left. The room was empty. Varied. The training ended, and within minutes the room was silent. Empty chairs scattered across the space. Use transitions to connect ideas. Why? Smooth transitions guide readers through your thoughts. How? Use words like however, therefore, for example, as a result. Student example. Without transition, I didn't study, I failed the test. With transition, I didn't study, as a result, I failed the test. Adult example. Without transition, we lowered prices, sales increased. With transition, we lowered prices, consequently, sales increased. Final tips for all writers. Cut clutter, shorter is usually stronger. Blend showing plus telling for balance. Use powerful verbs to create impact. Add variety in sentence structure to keep rhythm. Connect ideas with transitions for flow. Stay ahead in your writing. Subscribe now and watch this next video on academic writing tips.